Hello, you're welcome to this video. My name is Shedrach, and on this video, I'm going to be showing you how to own a VTU script with AutoBanking Virtual Account feature in Nigeria. This is going to be a very detailed video analysis that will give you a detailed explanation of how to own a VTU script that has AutoBanking. Now, the bone of contention of this video is for me to actually present to you a new application which we launched, which is on a pre-launch stage at the moment, that give you ability to own a VT website that has auto banking and everything is working, right? So for those of you that are new to the channel, my name is Shedrach and I make content and videos on how to make money online. I also make videos on telecom business, cryptocurrency, and different aspect of how to actually make money online. So I'm also a full stack web developer of almost like 13 years practice. So that means that I also understand this business, which is telecom business in Nigeria, because we are the one that started this business way back 2012. That was when even Paga was in the book. So what I'm saying this is because I have a foundation knowledge about this business. Okay, so and I want you to make a very good decision about either choosing a particular software that will enable you to go in for this business, even though you are existing owner of this business and you want to upgrade into having an enhanced application. Okay, I want to give you the go ahead after watching this video, and then don't skip any part because any part you are skipping may be very vital to what I'm about to show you. Okay, so having said that, let's go to the video properly. Before we go there, please subscribe to the channel, like and share this video because we're going to be making a lot of updates on this channel that will give you a lot of other how to make money online, especially it has to do with telecommunication business. I'm saying that let's go to the video properly. Now, from the look of things, you see the title of the video, which is how to own a VTU script with AutoBanking virtual account features in Nigeria. So the main emphasis or the bone of contention in this video is that the AutoBanking is 100% working on this application, right? The AutoBanking is one of the controversial issues in Nigeria, which has to do with the ability for you to own a VTU website that has the ability for users to be paying through automated virtual account. Okay, when the user sign up in the system, they're able to give a account given to them by the system. When they pay to fund their wallet, they will get credited. Okay, even without the admin being there on the system. So that's what we call auto banking. So we have this application that supports this feature, and I'm going to make an elaborate explanation and view on this regard. So if you're a community member, fans following us in social handles, make sure you pay attention to this because this is going to be a detailed review. I'm not going to skip any part. I'm going to show you everything live and direct. Okay, but before we go to the practical section, I want to look at the services and features available on this application on automation. Okay, when we're talking about automation here, we're talking about things that a admin cannot do manually, right? That is what we call automation. Okay, when we talk about automation, we're talking about things that customers can do instantly and then they will get value for what they have done. So I'm going to list them for you. One is wallet funding automated. Okay, so admin do not actually need to fund wallet on this application. The system does that automatically for you. Then airtime sales, okay? Airtime sales is also on automation. That is buying and selling of airtime. That includes MTN, Glo, 9 Mobile. Everything is on automation. Okay, data sales, okay, all network, SME, corporate gifting, they are all on automation. Okay. Now, B payment is still on developmental stage on the application, right? So we should get it right. The reason why I'm saying this is because most people that are buying our solutions, you must pay attention to what we say that is available on the application. You shouldn't come and dance and say, Shedrach, you say this thing is going to be there. Okay, why is it not working? Okay, I'm stating it practically on this video that B payment is on the development stage on the application right now. Okay, so but recharge card printing is on automation, right? Then another feature that is on this application is reseller kits. Reseller kit has to do with ability for users to actually order for a VTU system from your own website it is also there and it is automated. What the automated here simply means that users have to actually load money in their wallet and use it to upgrade to either as a reseller or as also a portal owner. And you as an admin can actually state any amount that you think is best for you to actually bill your client. So I believe you are getting the video. If you are enjoying value on this video, please like, share, and comment and subscribe to the channel, because that's what we giving you updates when a video like this is released on the channel. So the seventh feature that is very, very highly needed in any VTU that will serve a modern VTU business in Nigeria is multiple API system. Now, what is API? API simply means application programming interface. A situation whereby you can actually source Airtel from another provider, source MTN from another provider, source different products with a different provider. So that comes with this application. So if you're a developer that has this application and you are intending to actually build for clients, now this application is going to do wonders for you, because you can actually have a multiple API that is already there. Okay, we are looking at roughly something like 1 to 10 different APIs on the application. So you can easily switch your API from the system. Okay, now custom landing page. Now this is has to do with user end, what users see when they visit the website. So it comes with it. I'm going to show you various variation of a landing page you have. Then you can make choice of the one that you think is best for you. Then you can pick it. It comes with the solution. Okay, now mobile Android app. Okay, because we understand that everybody is always using mobile to Android app to access a V2 system or any other fintech solution. So we include this on this setup system. Okay, then installed on a limited domain. Now this is a great feature because this is not a licensed application whereby maybe you buy the application, you cannot be able to use it to different kinds of VTU websites. So with this in mind, you can build up to 1,000 to 1 million VTU website with this application. So having said that, let's proceed to the practical section so that we can actually understand the in and out of this solution. No, so to get started, this solution, you can get it on vendafrica.com.ng. Okay, you can actually see a live demonstration on vendafrica.com.ng. Just go to your web browser, type vendafrica.com.ng. So once you're on vendafrica.com.ng, you'll be presented with something that looks like this. Okay, now this is what we call the landing page, right? So the landing page is a place where everybody visits whenever you are trying to access a particular website. This is called a landing page, okay, where you just visit. Okay, so the solution we are offering you comes with something that looks like this. Okay, so you're going to be have a sections where users have to actually know about you. So these sections, as an admin or someone that owns this script, can actually customize. You can actually change some parameters, some sections that you think you don't actually want. You can change these images if you know a little bit of HTML coding. Okay, so you can actually do a lot of technical work to make the application work for you. Okay, so if you also want a custom design and solution, is also available. That one will be on request. Okay, there's going to be a list of possible services that you're offering, which of course you can see right here. So this is actually an in-depth video evaluation of this application. So you should not be in a hurry to go and jump into ordering for the solution. You have to understand what the capability of the solution, how it actually works. So it's going to be something that this image, you can actually change it if you know a little bit of HTML coding. Okay, you can also request it when you're ordering for the solutions. Okay, sir, please change this section. I don't like this section. Okay, we can actually do the modifications for you. So for API integration, it's going to be here. So there's going to be a pricing sections where users, where you can actually update the prices. This is going to be on the source code where you can actually update your prices across what's called what you are offering, especially on data sales. Okay, so coming down here, you're going to have a footer sections where users can actually get, if you have app in Play Store, right, you can actually have it here. So this solution application is top notch, guys. It's 100% top notch. And to crown it all, it is going to be powered by you, as like branded with you as the owner of the solution. Unlike other solutions you see here, whereby after the end of the whole process, in the down section of the the solution, you see where it is written powered by so person that developed it. But here, your name will be branded. So it's not like something you buy. Okay, you're gonna give us like a couple of maybe like 2 or 3 days to customize it to your own brand, right? Before we send it across to you. So this is how the application looks like. But quickly, because I want to show you this, because I want you to understand what you are buying. You don't just go ahead and make a purchase of what you have not seen how it works. So I'm gonna quickly log into a user account just to show you what the solution looks like, as like, okay, what the user is expected to see when they are actually trying to access, because we are looking at the user. Okay, we are not actually looking at you as an admin, because people are always very funny. They'll be asking me, oh, Shedrach, I want to see the admin. Concentrate more on what the user gets, not you as an admin, because you as an admin, of course, you are going to get a very good admin back end. So I'm logging into the user end just to show you few things that this solution come in stock with. Okay, there's going to be an announcement that will pop up when the user logs in into the system. So this is, you can practically change this, right? You can change this, even the statement, and then make kind of directions where it goes when the user actually logs in. So that is what you should get right. So there's going to be an overview sections where the user balance is going to be here, the withdrawable, the earnings balance, the referral. It has a referral program, guys. So this solution is top notch. Okay, so there's going to be a transaction history. Of course, the flow chart is going to be displaying in real time whatever that is happening on the user end is going to be seeing it. So here you can also see buy airtime. So users can actually select the products you want to make purchase, either VTU or card. Then this is going to be a data, it's going to be payment, it's going to be other more services. Everything is here, guys. Everything is here. Even wallet transfer is here, and also every other thing. Bank transfer is also here. So this solution is top notch. I bet this solution is top notch. Okay. But before you can be able to do a bank transfer, you have to state your PIN and all that. But then this is not what I am here to explain this on this application. Okay. What I want to show you is the auto banking. Okay. Now, for me, I don't want to do a recharge. I don't want to do top up. I don't want to credit my wallet. I want to do it yourself. Log into the application, register an account, and then load money into the wallet to see how it reflects, right? So because people are very you don't go and buy something you have not tested, right? So I give you a go ahead to make a test. So if you click on this credit you a wallet, okay, this credit wallet will take you to a place where you're going to see account to pay. Okay, so if you just created your own account, I'm going to show you how to actually sign up. So here you can see the solution could support Monify, which of course you can see here. You can see the Women Bank, you can see the Starling, you can see the Money Point. Always use Money Point, because Money Point is always very good in network. So once you make payment into your own account, not this particular one, but the one that the system gives to you, you will see the money will reflect as the available balance, right? So you can also use it to make a purchase. Okay, you can use it to buy airtime or buy data, and also just to test the system and see that everything is working, just like what I'm saying. Because we have noticed that people are, okay, I say that I want to see this thing works out. Okay, I don't just want to make payment. I just want to see whether this is going to work out. So please do not come to WhatsApp and begin to ask so many questions that touches the heart. Okay, how does this thing work? I'm explaining everything in this video. Okay, if you think what we are explaining is not actually you don't understand everything, then register on the application, log into the application, fund your wallet, and buy products. Okay, so I haven't seen the solution, how everything is going to be. The question that is now bothering everybody is now mine, even myself that is talking to you right now, is how much does this solution work? But if I show you how much it works, I'm going to show you how you make registration for those of you that want to test the application. So once you are here on the application, just have to click on create an account. Okay, it is on the footer of the login section. So if you log in as an existing user, but if you want to create account, click on this. Okay, once you click on this, it's going to take you to a place where you have to fill your form. Okay, just click on this create. So quickly fill your form, fill your first name, your last name, your email address, your password, your phone number, then select I am not a robot. then click on this create account. Okay. So once you click on create account, the system automatically send you a verification code. That should be either on your inbox or your spam folder. Make sure you check either of them and then verify account. So once you click and put the code, the system automatically verify account, and then you will log in into the system to be able to see how the application works. Okay. Having said that, the application is very easy. You can easily install, I kind of upload it in your cPanel and then work on the system. Okay, for those that are going for the script version. Okay, having said that, and I've given you the practical section, you ask a question, ask yourself, okay, how is the amount? What is the pricing of this application? Now, this is on a pre-launch offer. Remember, pre-launch here means that we have not done a sale page on this application. So pay critical attention to this. So you shouldn't come to WhatsApp and begin to DM us and say, okay, sir, begin to explain this solution. I can never explain it because I have already done the explanation on this video. So you shouldn't come to WhatsApp. What will be coming to WhatsApp is to say, okay, I want to make payment. What is the bank to pay? Because you guys are very funny. You see them that after you must have watched this video till the end, you see come to WhatsApp and begin to explain the solution. So you want any of our admin to die because we're explaining the solution, go through the app, go through this video once over and over again to understand what the solution entails. Okay. Now look at how the pricing is going to look like. So you pay attention. For those of you that are watching this video, this is a pre-launch. At the moment of recording this video, it's a pre-launch. What is a pre-launch? A place where when we have an application, we're able to put it in the market and give it a very low price just for people to get on board. But once we're able to kind of have the needed sale page for the application, the amount is going to be doubling, in fact, tripling. So consider yourself a lucky person if you are a fan, either on community, on WhatsApp, or YouTube, that these people have launched another solution. Let me grab it now. Okay, because if you are waiting and then when you are making inquiries about this video, maybe 1 week or 2 months or 1 year or 10 years from now, they now tell you that this solution is 10 million naira. You shouldn't come and say, but I watched it when it was 60,000. Why is it like amount? So please grab this opportunity. This time you are watching this video. So the first one is option 1, server dependent. What is server dependent? We are the one hosting this VTU website for you. So that is what we call server dependent. So this goes for 60K. So what are you going to get when you pay 60,000? That's a question you should be asking yourself. You're going to get a domain name that's going to be on .com domain, right? So you're going to get hosting. We're going to host the application for you. Then development, we're going to develop it to start working. And then admin guide, we're going to train you how to manage the business. So that is what this particular offer. Okay. Now the second option is server independent. Server independent means that, okay, you are not a developer. You want to own a solution. You want to install it in your own server. It is 120K. Now, what does it cover? It covers hosting. Okay. Now we are going to buy a hosting for you. We're going to buy a domain name for you. You are going to still have the script. Okay. So this is a typo error, guys. So this is going to be, you're going to have the same script, but pay attention to this. We are not selling a script for you and then asking you to figure things out for yourself. So we are going to be the one to develop the script. You understand? And still give you the script. So that is why we are billing you on this rate. Okay. Now, pay critical attention to this. We're going to do development, then technical training on how to do the installation and also program even the API. We're going to cover a lot of technical training so that in case you have a VTU website, they want to do a design or development, you don't need to actually fall back to us. So that's why we're charging this amount. Now, for those of you that have a hosting already and a domain, then you have to contact admin for price renegotiation because we're not going to be taxing you on this rate, right? So pay attention to that. I believe these points are very clear. Okay, now special offer for only 10 people. Only 10 people. Okay. Once the 10 people has a lot, this offer is going to go off. Okay. And it is for reseller option. That's option 1. You can only pay 30K. Okay. An offer end once we have 10 people. Now, if you are paying this amount, remember you're going to have .com.ng. You're not going to have .com domain. Remember, this video is going to be a witness. So you're going to have .com.ng for this special offer. Okay. So Remember, .com now to the register it in the open market is around 16,000. So you don't expect us to register .com domain and also give you a that rate. It's not possible, okay? So, but if you have extra money to budget for .com, then you can top it up and still have .com and then have it. But that is for 10 people that immediately this video drop, we have a lot of community. Now, once you have up to 10 people, please ask question, okay, whether the slot is still available, okay, the special offer, whether it has been taken. If it has been taken, you need to go and pay what? 60,000. So immediately you are watching this video, go to your bank app and make a transfer, right? Make a transfer. So ask questions. Okay, now you may say, okay, how do I request for payment? You kindly WhatsApp or call admin, which is, of course, you can see the number displaying on the screen, which is 081 30 37 446. That's the first line, or 081 3797 0068. Okay, these are numbers that is available. Please, this is a mistake here, guys. Okay, this code is supposed to be 091 3797 0068. Please do call this any of this line, and then our admin is going to be on line 247 to attend to you to give you a bank payment. Okay, don't come to WhatsApp and begin to ask, how does this application work? Because I have been able to do a detailed review about this application. Now, as a bonus for everybody that is going for this solution, if peradventure you don't like the landing page of Vend Africa, okay, the way it is, the one I showed you, okay, probably you think that, okay, the landing page is not classic to your liking. Okay, you just want to have a different landing UI design. You just want to have it be a different design. It is 100% available, okay? I'm going to show you that in a brief. I'm going to show you a different design so you can able to understand what I am saying, okay? So you that are, okay, you are watching, okay, but you say, oh, I don't like this Vend Africa the way it is, okay, it's generic or something. You know, people have different kinds of preference. So we have a special offer for you, right? So if you go to VTU Marketplace, this is yet to be launched template gallery system where you can actually buy different templates. So for instance, we have several of them here at the moment. So you can easily pick anyone that you think is best for you. Like Bold Step is one of the most popular templates that I like most. In fact, it is a very, very good UI, okay? So you can pick it and say, okay, sir, please, I need this template, merge it with this application. They will do the justice for you. So that's a very good innovations we have done so far in the VT technology, and I want you to succeed come this year, okay? Do not go for this year that is on its verge now without a solid business, especially on telecommunication. Why do I always advocate telecommunication? Because telecommunication business is everyday business. You and I are using airtime, data, cable, electricity to recharge every day. So it's an addicted product. So go in, you can see Bold Step is here. Say, okay, I like this. You can actually request for it when you are making your payment. We're able to do it, right? So this is very classic, guys. This is 100% classic. So, but if you still want to settle for the one that is come with the default application, no problem. So that is the special offer we're going to give you. You can also check another one, which is Homey Data. Homey Data is also very powerful. It's also a very powerful template. It has a slider. Okay, so you can also see it very classic as well. So you can do a gallery review of the template that I think is best for you. That's the landing page, what users see when they visit your website. You can also see Liniver. Liniver is one of the powerful what's called framework we have built on this aspect. So we have done a lot of things that to make this business easy for you. We have taken the burden from you by building different sections that will enable you to succeed in the business. What is holding you back is the ability for you to make your payment. And remember, time waits for nobody. Okay? As I'm dropping this video, you are dropping this video, I've finished watching this video, go on and make your payment. Okay? Remember, our products in our company always increase based on what we are seeing in the market. Okay? If the market is going high, we are going to also be increasing the product to meet up the standard. So the time that is best is this time at which you are watching this video. Make sure you take action. Take action, because action is what differentiates loser from the winner. I remember who's Mr Shedrach. Subscribe to the channel, like and share the video. We're going to see you in the very next video. Until then, go to your bank app and make your transfer right now. Contact admin on WhatsApp for a payment request. Okay? and then grab this solution that has auto banking. Okay, if your auto banking is something that makes your business go as like, okay, what is holding you back, then grab this solution. I remember host Mr. Shedrach. Thanks and God bless.